Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt like you were trapped in a body too skinny to break free? What if I told you that with the right steps, you could transform into a powerhouse of muscle in just a few weeks? Today, we reveal the secrets to gaining muscle quickly and effectively. Stick around until the end because you won't want to miss these life-changing tips. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos on fitness, health hacks, and more. Now let's dive into today's topic: how to quickly gain muscle if you're skinny. 1. Eat muscle fuel foods. First up, you need to fuel your muscles with the right foods. This isn't just about eating more, it's about eating smart. Protein is essential, acting as the building block for muscle growth. Carbohydrates are equally important, providing the energy needed for those intense workouts. Think of foods like rice, oats, nuts, chicken, turkey, eggs, fish, pasta, and steak. These are your muscle fuel foods. Did you know that your body constantly uses protein for various functions like producing hormones? This means there's less protein available for muscle building. To counter this, you need to develop and store new proteins faster than your body breaks down the old ones. This is crucial for muscle growth. Eating 3 meals a day won't cut it when you're trying to gain muscle. Your body needs a constant supply of nutrients. Start with a heavy breakfast, followed by a snack 2 hours later. Aim to eat something every 3 hours. This steady intake of food helps your body stay in muscle building mode. Forget those fancy machines and elaborate ab exercises. When starting out, you need to engage in compound exercises that work for multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Exercises like squats, bench presses, deadlifts, dips, pull-ups, bent over rows, and military presses are your best bets. Perform 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps with around 1 minute of rest between sets. A protein shake rich in essential amino acids and carbohydrates before your workout can significantly enhance muscle gain. Exercise increases blood flow to your muscles, making it the perfect time to take in those amino acids. Around 10 to 20 grams of protein in your shake should do the trick. After a full body workout, it's essential to rest the following day. Studies show that challenging weight exercises can boost protein synthesis for up to 48 hours post-workout. Remember, muscles grow when you're resting, not when you're working out. So give your body the time it needs to rebuild and grow stronger. Do you have any thoughts or experiences with muscle building? Drop your comments and insights below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts and tips on the human body, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for our next video. Thank you for watching. Let's get those muscles growing.